Hello guys. Yesterday we have seen how to manage your account in swing trading. Today we try to see how to manage your account in investing. Understand that in general, this is just a suggestion. If you are investing for the long run, in general you should have another broker account for this investing. Don't mix up swing trading or day trading with investing. Now, why is that? This has to do with tax, because understand that when you do tax, so all the stocks will be mixed up. So for those that you, for example, you invest for 2 years or 3 years or 5 years and then you sell, the tax, it's not the same as when it is under 1 year, because when it is under 1 year, it is considered as an income. Okay? But if it is more than 1 year, if you hold a stock more than 1 year, your tax will be less and it will be very good for you. Now, so since you have an account for investing, understand that whatever you do, for example, five companies or 10 companies or whatever you do, especially if you want to buy stocks, not ETFs, the thing is different from the point of view of swing trading. So I will just go and try to explain this into details. So as you can see, let's say you have the same amount, $25,000 into your saving, and you want to invest for the long run. You don't want to, you are not going to do swing trading or buy and sell. So you want, let's say your $25,000, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4 and 5 positions. Now each one is 5K. We do the same as we have done for swing trading, but we will see that there are differences. Okay, there should be difference between those and things. Now, so you have 5 stocks you want to buy. Now, the thing about investing for the long run, it means your idea is to invest for long. What do you mean by long? It means more than 1 year. More. It means could be 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Warren Buffett has said 20 years is your goal for investment. So now let's say you buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that for investing, it's not like swing trading. Swing trading, you can do it daily and you can search and find a stock, because you apply only the price strategies that I do. But in investing, you need more. You need to know the company itself. What does it do? What is its future? The earning. Does it give dividend or no? Okay, there are a lot of things that you should see in a company, because when you buy, you should live for many years. So you are certain, at least you have done your homework. Okay, it's not because someone online or on TV or CNN or Bloomberg or any TV or on YouTube, someone asks you, oh, okay, buy this stock, it's good, or this company, it's good investment. This is not what I am looking for. You should do your homework. It means you should look for companies. Now, when you look for companies, there are some companies are giving dividend, others they don't give. So you should, from the beginning, you should know the future that you are looking for. Are you looking for dividend or you are looking for growth? Most of the time, growth stocks, they do better in price appreciation. It means they go faster. But this is not a rule. You can find some dividend stocks that are doing also good as growth stocks. So the best thing is when you find stocks that give dividend and their growth is good. Now all this needs a lot of work. You should compare this company with the industry. It means you compare it with other stocks, with other companies. Why, for example, you ask yourself why you want to invest in this company, not in the other company doing the same industry. In the same industry, you will find a lot of companies. So why you buy this company and you don't buy the other one? So you should have a reason. Whatever is your reason, you should choose the best always. I know you can never know in the future what will happen, but at least you do your homework. Now, when you finish, for example, buying this companies, and then what you should do later, okay, you should follow the growth. You should follow the growth of these companies. And for me, this is the ideal thing. Investing, it is not to buy once and then that's it. Investing is to add shares always. Okay, it means if you have, for example, a good job, or you have just a job and you have $100 or $200 or whatever money you have, so always buy, okay, and add shares to which stocks? Stocks that do good. So, for example, this stock, let's say after 1 year, just I give you an example, okay, just to understand what I mean. Let's say the first stock you bought in 1 year, it gives you 25%. This it gives you 10. This gives you 5. This it gives you 1%. It means nothing, and you will find that this company, you lose 10%. Okay, it happens. It's just investment. So in the future, you try to prefer these kind of the first three, 1, 2, 3. You try to add more and more. Now these two, you should let it to the second year and see what's going on. If they go better, okay, if they go better, it means the percentage is going up. Let's say next year it gives you, for example, 5%. You can keep it. But this stock, if it continues to lose a lot of money, let's say 25%, now here you should check this company and see what's wrong. Okay? Check what is wrong. Because if the company is losing money, there should be something. If the earnings are bad, this company, the fifth one, you should make sure to delete it after 2 years or 3 years and buy another company, because it is a bad investment. Because if it continues to lose money, 10% the first year, 25% the second year, it means the stock is in a downtrend. It means mutual funds are selling this company and you will never make it. Believe it or not, after a few years, you will see that from 25, few years, you will see, for example, 45, 50,000. Understand that you are investing more and more, okay? Now, if you have, let's say, if you have more money and you want to make more stocks, you can, if you have, for example, $4,000 or $5,000, you can make another position. It becomes, you have 6 companies that you are doing. The good thing is try to diversify. Never buy in the same industry. Diversify. It doesn't mean that it means they don't go down, but it means if, let's say I give you an example that I always give. Let's say this 5K here, this company is energy company and you understand that, for example, 3 years ago, this energy sector have been all going down. So if your company is in energy sector and you are losing a lot of money, so it is high time to delete it and change it with another sector that it is doing good. And this is just a normal thing that you should do, because this is how to manage your investment for the long run. It's not just you buy something and you leave it. This is not a good way to make money. You should, although, for example, for investing, you don't look each day or each week or each month. Most of the time, the quarter, it means 3 months, you look and you see what's going on. Are these companies doing better, doing good, more dividend? For example, they are increasing in sale, or they are making new products. You should see always this stuff quarterly. It means 3 months. 3 months, this is the thing that you should focus on. If your account is growing, it's green, you just continue with these companies all the years. 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, why not? You see that most of the successful companies, they continue to grow up and to make money and to become bigger and bigger and bigger. There are a lot of names that are big names right now that they are continuing to grow up for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, and they are still growing up and making good profits for investors. Okay? So this is in general how I see investing. Please, if you have other ideas that you want to share, it's very good from you. If you have questions, please send me a private question. And always try to manage your account, take care of it, look what's going on. If you are good, just leave it. There's nothing to do as just to accumulate wealth through the years. But as I said, investing, it's not you put some money and then you stop. Okay? Investing is a habit. It means you save money, you throw it in stocks, and you continue the whole life. If you continue the whole life, your account will become bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Don't wait. For example, you have 10,000, 20,000. You say, okay, I will invest this money. And then you stop 10 years without investing any money. This is not a good habit. Because investing is to continue. Because the more your account will be bigger and bigger and bigger, the more, for example, you will have dividend, for example. And dividend is money. It means it will be like a paycheck. Each year you get a very large paycheck if your account is big. But if your account is small, you are, for example, 60 or you are 65 or you are 70 years old, and you have 10,000, 20,000 like investing, this is not what I'm looking for. This is too late. Investing, you should begin early. If you begin late, you should put a lot of money into your stocks, into your companies. And then when you have the larger your account, the more you get dividend. And understand that the rich and the wealthy people are living just with the dividend because the tax is less. They don't pay that much tax. And they are true. And this is what everybody should do. But most of the time, they don't save. They don't save them for the future. And they think because they have a small paycheck or salary, it's not necessary to do this. But they are wrong. If you are 20, 25, 30, 34, 35 or 40, whatever age you are in, you should push your account in the stock market to become bigger and bigger. And believe it or not, when you are having a very large account, your account is good. After 30 years or 40 years or 50 years, you will be able to have a very large paycheck from your dividend, and you will be doing whatever you like. Because some people, if they don't invest, when they lose their job or they are retired without any investment, they will have nowhere where to go. They should stay home. okay? Because they don't have money to to do anything, okay? So thank you very much for watching. Please comment, share with us your ideas, and if you have questions, direct questions, send me an email. Thank you very much.